Getting to the cargo area is easy. There are sliding doors on both sides. Great if one side is blocked, or you're in a narrow alley. At the rear, you've got 40/60 split doors. The right door is larger to give greater access. The shorter left door intrudes less into traffic when it's open. If you're hauling cargo, you'll find NV200 Compact Cargo makes every inch count. The fold-down passenger seat makes room for items up to 9 feet, 8 inches long. There's easy access for a forklift, with plenty of room for a pallet. It's easy to stack boxes and tie down items. Standard D-rings in the floor help hold cargo in place. The Nissan NV200 Compact Cargo is covered by America's best commercial van warranty, featuring a 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. Ask your Nissan Business Certified dealer for details. Nissan commercial vehicles feature a full lineup of trucks and vans to suit your business needs.